Hey guys, okay, so today is day number 8 of my 90-day Whole30 challenge. So that concludes week 1. I got up this morning and got on the scale, and I'm now 219.6 pounds, which is a loss of 10.4 pounds, almost 10 and a half pounds in just 1 week. So I'm very happy with those results. Just a quick rundown of my day. Fasted through breakfast again, just had some coffee. For lunch, I had a salad with some mushrooms, some tomatoes, some mandarin oranges, and some almonds, and some hard-boiled eggs, and a little bit of olive oil and red wine vinegar that I mixed together for a dressing. And then for dinner, we had some really delicious tuna cakes, and I will post the recipe to that on my blog. You can find the link for that in the description below. And we had some roasted Brussels sprouts. I just threw some rosemary and a little bit of thyme on there, and that was pretty good. Not a big Brussels sprout fan, but they're really good for you, so I try to eat them. So that was my day. I want to say, having concluded week 1, that if any of you are considering trying this, I say go for it. Just go for it. There's, really you're eating healthier foods and making better decisions, and in the long run, I think it's going to pay off. It'll help, change change some of your dietary habits. That's why it's 30 days, and I'm doing 90 days, so 90 days are all the better. So, yeah, just go for it. There's, if you're worried that, oh, I don't know if I can eat, I don't know if I can give up bread. I don't know if I can give up cheese. I don't know if whatever. Quit making excuses and just do it. It's only 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. It's not a lifetime, and maybe it will be a lifetime for you, a lifetime change if you decide you like it, but you're not committing to any long-term changes. You're just 30 days. I've lost 10 and a half pounds in just 7 days. So, I can only imagine that it's, I'm sure it might not be quite as extreme through the rest of this time, because usually with any diet in the beginning, you tend to lose more weight, faster. But, it's still, I still anticipate that by the end of this, I'm going to be at my ideal weight. I set out trying to lose 55 pounds, and I think well before the 90 days are up, I'll hit that goal. I'm shooting for 175. We'll see. We'll see how I feel once I hit that. But 55 pounds, and I've lost 10 and a half pounds in just 7 days. It's not hard. So definitely, if this is something you're considering, or you're for some reason holding out on doing it, just do it. Just do it. It's totally worth it. I have a lot more energy. I feel great. My clothes are fitting better. As I was beginning to really get pudgy, I was running out of shirts that fit, and I have a couple more shirts that fit now, which is really great. We were doing laundry every few days, and I couldn't justify going out and buying new shirts just because I had gotten fat. But my shirts are now fitting better, and just do it. Don't let cast your reservations to the side. If you have medical reasons why you're concerned about it, then talk to a doctor before you do it. And chances are your doctor is going to tell you the same thing I'm telling you. Just do it. So, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys tomorrow.